Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on Valley National Bank. If you have already registered for Valley National Bank online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The login process is pretty simple, secure, and straightforward. By the completion of login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers, and many more from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop, then on the search bar, search for Valley.com. Once you land onto an interface like this, just go to the sign in option, then choose your banking type. Then you'll be taken to another page, which is the login page for Valley account. But before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account on Valley Bank if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to do that, all you have to do is just go and tap onto the register for online access option here. Once the registration process is complete, you will be provided with a username and a password to log into your account with. So go to the username text field and enter the username associated to your account. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for your account. In case if you have forgotten your username or password, then you can just go and tap onto the forget username or password option here in order to reset your username or password. And once you're done entering the login details for your Valley online banking account, just go and tap onto the sign in option. By tapping on it, you will have successfully logged into your Valley online banking account. So with all this information, I think you can register to your Valley online banking account in no time. This will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.